One other thing we're testing out in this video, it's this new waterproof tape that we have, and you can find it on our website, but we want to give it to the test, see if it's actually waterproof, if it works good, if it's gentle on the skin, and all that good stuff. So you'll see that orange tape on her, and that's why we're using it. We want to test it out. So we did apply the tape, and then on top of that, we are washing her natural eyelashes with the Lash wash to see if that tape holds, right? If it's gonna get detached, if it's gonna seep through, what's gonna happen. So it actually passed all the tests that we wanted to pass. So I approve of it as a good tape to use for eyelash extensions. And I think the best case, I would have this in my kit. And when I would use this tape is when if a client comes, and they come with a lot of makeup on and or moisturizers like concealers, you can see under their eye or on their skin there is some product, right? And they don't wash their full face, or they don't feel comfortable with the super bare face. What I would do is, instead of having them wash their eyelashes in the bathroom to fully do a lash bath, I would tape it down with this tape, the whole under eye area, and then I would do the lash bath or lash wash right at my station, just like you guys see in the video. And like that, I won't be spreading around the makeup or or like any other product they have on their skin from the skin to the eyelashes, because the lash washes usually are pretty gentle, so it's not going to get everything off if you're just washing it like that. So I think it's a great product to have for the clients who come with makeup or at least just foundation and they only have bare eyes and you want to do the lash bath while they're laying down in front of you. This tape does come in a 1 inch or a 1/2 inch. In the video you see the 1/2 inch for the under eyelashes. I would probably use a 1 inch to tape down the bottom lashes and not use any other tape or under eye patch with it, and then I would use the 1/2 inch to pull up the eyelids if a client has hooded eyes or straight eyelashes, and it is gentle enough for the skin. Now, another reason why I would use the 1 inch versus the 1/2 inch, if you see here in the video, the mapping on that 1/2 inch tape, there just isn't enough room for me to write down all these numbers, especially for, let's say, a mapping that has these wispy pieces. I have so many numbers, so it ends up looking messy and not as easy to follow since I have such little room. So that's also why I would always use like a 1 inch tape to hold down the bottom lashes if I'm not using an under eye patch or anything else with it, to give me more workspace, and it also has really good contrast against the natural lashes. One other thing I loved about this tape, it was also when we were isolating, the tweezers glided and slided on it nicely, didn't get stuck, it was lint free and all that good stuff. So definitely a tape I would have in my toolbox.